Okay, so we've managed to plot our points and they're also here on the spreadsheet. Now, what I've done next is follow the instructions on the sheet, which you have also had, to estimate some values for A, B and C. So I've gone through all this process to calculate A, B and C, and these are the values that I came up with. They may well be different from yours because we've just used estimation. Okay, now for the next section, we need to play a little bit more with the spreadsheet. So we're going to move this to one side a little bit and make a little bit more room for the spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm actually going to plot the value of y equals a sine b t plus c, bx plus c, using GeoGebra. So y equals, the value of a that I have is 1.3. So 1.3 times sine brackets. I've got 30 for my b, 30 x, and remembering our degree sign, plus c, which for me was 16.2. Okay, now when I press enter, I get a fairly good looking curve. So it fits quite well at the beginning, not so well later on. Now the aim of modelling is to try and work on this curve to get as good a fit as we can. So one thing we could do is we could just double click on the function and we could play around with some of these numbers. So we might think maybe the frequency needs to be smaller. So maybe we want to change this to 28, for example, and we can already see that it's a better fit. Let's just change it back to 30 for a minute so we can see what we're doing. Okay, that's one thing we could do, but the problem with that is that we're just kind of trying things out by eye, and it's hard to keep track of whether the model is actually improving.